Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to the beauty family. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, then welcome back, girl. Today, we're going to be filming this tutorial. And we're going to be using the new Soft Glam Anastasia palette. You guys see these colors? So pretty. So we're going to be filming this look. So if you want to see it, then definitely keep on watching. But before you go, I want to go ahead and say thank you to all of you that support this channel. Whether you like the videos, whether you watch them, whether you comment down below, I really want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Any support really helps grow this beauty family. So don't forget to always like, subscribe if you're not already, comment down below, or simply just watch these videos so we can continue to grow and get bigger and get stronger, you guys. But nonetheless, if you want to see how we achieved this look today, then go ahead and keep on watching. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, we're going to be using the Soft Glam palette. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. It's really pretty for the people that like neutrals. I think it's perfect for you. My first time trying this out, I haven't touched it or swatched it yet. So we're going to go ahead and just jump into it. We're going to start off with our upper crease. I am going to be using the shade Burnt Orange right here. So we're gonna go ahead and just grab a fluffy blending brush. Ooh, girl, this fallout though. Do you guys see this freaking fallout? I literally just dipped my brush in there and all of that product just came. Wow. There's actually a lot of fallout. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the upper crease. I did prime my eyes already. I used my MAC concealer and then I set it with the Airspun loose powder. Next, for my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade here, Rustic. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get this rose pink right here. We're gonna go ahead and put that on our lid, concentrating more on the inner and on the middle of our lid. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a packing brush. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush with my Fix Plus so it can help grasp that color. So I'm going to go ahead and stop that lid color about there. Now that we're done with our lid, I'm going to go ahead and add some color onto the outer part of the lid. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with this mulberry color. Oops, that's better. Oh my god, look what I just did to the palette, you guys. I digged my fingernail. And you know the sad part is, it's not even my palette, this is my mom's palette. Well then. As I was saying, I'm going to go in with this mulberry color right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab a clean blending brush to really blend out the edges of this. So in between the mulberry and the rose pink, I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Glistening just to give it a little bit of pop. I'm going to be using the same packing brush. This one is a Morphe M522 and it's just gonna be like a little bit right here, nothing too crazy. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and do eyeliner. I didn't want to do wing eyeliner because everyone always does wing liner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply black eyeliner and kind of like smudge it out. I'm going to go ahead and smudge it out with the shade Cypress Umber. So as some of you may know, I am not pregnant anymore. I did have my baby. A few of you guys were asking how was the pregnancy going, but I actually had my baby February 20th. So there is the liner. I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. I'm going to be using the Cocoa lashes in the style Stella. I've actually had these lashes for a long time now and I've never opened them. You know, sometimes like when I get new stuff, like I don't want to open them. I know, like, that's dumb. Like, why do you buy stuff if you don't want to open them? If you don't want to use them? But I just don't want them to go to waste, if that makes sense. But I've had these for almost a year, literally, and I haven't even opened them. And today I said, you know what? Today's a day. I'm going to go ahead and use them. So let's see. The style looks pretty bomb, so hopefully I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these lashes. So there are the lashes right there. You guys, the struggle was real with these nails. I haven't had nails for like about a month. You know, they be popping. I'm gonna put my nail lady right here somewhere on the screen so you guys can follow her on Instagram. Her account is private, but she does really bomb nails. So if you're in the Inland Empire, you guys should DM her and hit her up because she's bomb and her prices are pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara. I'm gonna be using this Masterpiece Max Factor mascara. Do you guys remember this? If you guys don't remember this, then you didn't watch my last video. So I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below so you can watch it, girl, after this video. You can go ahead and watch it since you're already on my channel. So our lashes are on and popping. I'm gonna go ahead and put eyeliner into my waterline. As you guys know, I love putting nude liner inside of my waterline, but today I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna go ahead and put black liner in my waterline. So there is that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm going to grab the shade Mulberry. So how many of you girls are planning to get this palette? I mean, so far I like it. Like, it blends out good. I just feel like it has a lot of fallout, which, I mean, it's normal, like palettes have fallout, but I feel like this one has a little bit of too much of a fallout. I'm going to add a little bit of black to make it more intense. We're gonna grab that New York color. So there is that, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to the bottom lash line. So there is that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop some of that rose pink into my tear ducts just so it can bring a little bit of light to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into that rose pink. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my lips. For my lips, I'm gonna be using this Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color. And to top it off, I'm gonna use a Cocoa Gloss in the shade Damn Gina. I've been liking more lip glosses. Like, I used to be all into mattes, but now I'm more into lip glosses because I feel like my lips be looking crusty with a matte liquid lipstick. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one, and then we're gonna go ahead and top it off with the gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and top this with lip gloss. My birthday is in exactly 3 days. I'm happy but sad at the same time because I'm gonna be 24. I feel so old. Like, the other day I was thinking about it and I was gonna cry because I'm gonna be 24. I don't want to get old. Last but not least, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the brow bone. I'm gonna be using the shade Tempera. Ooh, the name Tempera, like, it kind of reminds like a sushi. I want sushi, but Omar doesn't like sushi. Can you guys believe that? So every time I go eat sushi is with my friends because Omar doesn't like it.
I went once.
He went once, but he didn't get sushi. He got teriyaki, so it doesn't even count. So I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the. Ooh, damn, this thing is pigmented. This is pretty much the finished look, you guys. What do you guys think? Are you gonna go and grab the palette or are you gonna pass? So overall, would I recommend this palette? I would say pass. I'm just kidding. I would say yeah, I think it's a pretty good palette. The colors are good. I like it because it has a lot of neutrals, but it does have a little bit of like neutrals but pops like shimmers, so you can go ahead and like do something like this. But yeah, I do like it. It blends good. Pigment is there. Just the only thing is that it does have a little bit more of fallout. But other than that, I do like it. I would recommend this palette. So if you got money, girl, go and buy it for yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video if you did. Don't forget to comment down below any questions, concerns, comments, any suggestions on a video that you want to see next. Let your girl know so I can go ahead and film that for you. And don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not already, and I'll go ahead and catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.